In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a VPN proxy app. So first, search it up on Microsoft Store. It's available there. So simply press the download button so you can also download it from your browser. And once installed, open it up and of course, allow permissions if prompt. Most VPN proxy apps require network access to function properly. Now notice at the top it says connection, proxy, and encryption is not provided, which means the app is acting as a web proxy and not a full VPN. But you can always access VPN by pressing see more details. And here click on activate VPN and you will be redirected to a page where you can activate the VPN. And to use this VPN proxy app, simply enter in a website URL in this search bar, or you can also click one of the quick links like YouTube or Google and click on the Browse Now button. The app will open that site through its proxy network, helping hide your IP address. But it's important to take note that since there's no encryption, your traffic isn't fully secure like a real VPN. This is mainly useful for accessing blocked sites or basic anonymity. Also, make sure to avoid logging into sensitive accounts like banking or email while using it. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!